Unfortunately, I can't fix everything. This is one of these China XEDKs, and this one is beyond repair. I've got a couple of these that are just impossible to fix. I'm going to show you why. If we ignore the fact that this is a retail CPU, which is not even aligned right, and in my experience, the pad's ripped underneath, a GPU's been reballed and it is shorted, so completely destroyed. The ANA has been really screwed with. You can kind of see the pins are screwed up there. But the reason this is unfixable is because the PCB itself has been damaged. See that? It's been delaminated. All over the place. All delaminated. So this is unfixable. So I've got it on the BGA, and I'm just going to pull some of the parts to hopefully be able to fix other motherboards, but very, very sad when these absolute, complete, retarded idiots try to fix a rare console like this, and they damage it, and it's just really, really sad. But hopefully this unit, some of the parts on this unit will help to save another XEDK. So, yeah, that's all for now.